Good day everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about Arden's theorem. Arden's theorem is a theorem in formal language theory that provides a method for solving linear equations involving regular expressions. It's used to convert regular expressions to finite automata or FA and vice versa. So what it does? Simplifies and manipulates regular expressions and finite automata and helps to determine the regular expressions of finite automata. So how it works? So we need to solve linear equation system involving regular expressions and uses the concatenation operator and the Kleene closure operator to rewrite regular expressions. So who developed it? So developed by William Arden in 1961. So how it's used? Used to convert an NFA to a regular expressions. You can write equations for each state of the NFA and then substitute the state variable using Arden's theorem. So here's the example.
So in this lecture, we designing a regular expression. So find the regular expression for the following FA. This is the example of Arden's theorem. So we have 4 states. So first state, starting state is the Q1 and the final state as well. So tingnan natin dito kung merong incoming transition for the Q1. So wala. So lalagay tayo ng epsilon. Then titingnan tayo kung mayroong incoming transition for Q1. So we have a Q2B plus Q3 kasi mayroong incoming transition for Q1 Q3A. So this is the first equation. Then Q2 incoming transition for Q2 is we have a Q1A. So this is the second stage equation. Q3 we have a incoming transition for Q3 is Q1B. So third equation. For Q4 naman we have a Q3B plus Q2 incoming transition for Q4 is Q2A and Q4 itself Q4A and Q4B. So fourth equation. So next hanapin natin itong equation number 1. So Q1 lalagay lang natin dito Q1 is equal to epsilon plus Q2B plus Q3A. So ilalagay natin ang value ng second and third equation. So Q2 hanapin natin dito Q2 is equal to Q1. So ilalagay natin Q1A. Then itong B i-bring down lang natin dito plus sa Q3 naman hanapin natin dito Q3 is equal to Q1B dito na Q1B. Tapos yung A ilalagay natin dito. Then diba magkaparehas lang sila Q1. So ilalagay natin dito is isa lang. So Q1 is equal to epsilon plus Q1. Then ilalagay natin ito, ipa-plus natin AB and BA. So AB plus BA. Then dito na papasok si Arden's theorem para titingnan ko ano pa ito. So ito ipapasok ito. R is equal to Q plus RP. So this is the Arden's theorem. So yung R is a Q1. Then yung Q is epsilon. Then Q1 naman is R. Then AB plus BA is the P. So pag nahanap na natin itong R, Q, RP, pupunta tayo dito sa R is equal to QP star para ma-check kung tama. Then R is equal to QP star. Q1 is the R. Nilagay natin dito equal to epsilon is the Q. So Q epsilon. Then the P naman is P ito AB plus BE. Lalagay natin dito tapos yung star kaya natin. Then sa Arden's theorem meron itong tinatawag na ito epsilon r is equal to r. So mawawala yung epsilon. Then ilalagay na lang natin dito is Q1 is equal to AB plus BA star. So this is the required regular expression for DFA.